Hello friends, today we will talk about Outspoken Party by Fergie. So let's jump right into the review because this will be a short one because there is not much to talk about. Immediately when I spray this on my skin, it smells strongly like raspberry and thank God is not synthetic, it's very pleasant. Luckily, this fruity note is present stronger in the beginning, but it remains till the end much softer, somewhere in the background, but you can sense that note always. This is a very sweet scent and to me mostly smells like creme brulee, and that sandalwood just helps this fragrance and gives it a little depth. It is pleasant, it is sweet, and if you like sweet scents, you will like this one. It is a pretty one, but nothing too memorable. It's just easy to throw on at any occasion, but this will not stand out in my opinion. Longevity 3 hours max on my skin, and with a lotion I get about 4 or 5 hours, which is pretty good. The protection is moderate, but someone will definitely be able to smell this on you. Thank you for watching.